In a city of millions, we search for connection. We look for it in people, in nature. But can we find it in a place built from concrete and glass? This isn't just an entrance, it's a threshold. A gateway between the chaotic energy of Jakarta and a world meticulously designed for desire and dreams. Let's step inside. You can feel it instantly. The air here is different. It's filled with the quiet hum of aspiration. These aren't just stores. They are galleries of ambition. Each window displays a version of a life we might imagine for ourselves. It's easy to see this as just shopping, but look closer. It's a modern-day pilgrimage. People come here not just to buy things, but to feel something. To feel inspired, to feel successful, to be part of a global current of style and culture. And today, that current is colored with red and gold. A celebration of renewal, of luck, of family. It's a reminder that even in the most modern of cathedrals, ancient traditions find a way to bloom, reminding us of what truly matters. Hope for a better year ahead. And then you hear it, a heartbeat. A rhythm that cuts through the calm hum of the mall. This is the sound of celebration. For a moment, all the brands, all the shopping, all the individual desires fade into the background. Look at these faces. People from every walk of life, strangers standing shoulder to shoulder, captivated by the same story of good conquering evil. This isn't just a performance. It's a moment of collective joy. It proves that no matter how sophisticated we become, our souls still crave story, myth, and the magic of a shared experience. Just when you think you understand this place, it surprises you. You step through a door and the entire world changes. The curated perfection of the inside gives way to the beautiful, managed wilderness of this park. An oasis of green in a city of gray. This is where the mall exhales. The energy shifts from consumption to connection. Here, the currency isn't money, but moments. A shared laugh, a perfect photo against the setting sun, a quiet minute on a bench watching the world go by. It's a reminder that luxury isn't just what you can buy, but the time you can afford to spend. Every journey has its final ascent. Here, it's a bridge that lifts you above it all. From up here, you see the whole picture. The relationship between the structured world of the mall and the organic life of the park. You see how they need each other to be complete. People gather here on this bridge, as if drawn by an instinct to see their world from a different perspective, to see the beauty in the design, both human-made and natural. So can you find a soul in a place made of concrete and glass? I think you can. It's not in the things you buy. It's in the shared moments of wonder, the quiet connections in the crowd, and the feeling of being part of a story much larger than your own. It's a reminder that no matter where we are in the world, we are all just looking for a beautiful view.